Oh, hey, how you doing? Just see there. This is another AAA production, Project Big Nasty. Okay? Been scouring the internet, scouring the forums. People talk about P400, 4L80, MP205, blah, 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 but they ain't being about it. So I decided, let's do it. Okay? So we're going to have a whole slew of videos. These are just some of the things we're going to be covering. Okay? We got a P400 I bought 2 years ago. About broke up my marriage, about put me in the po house. I got babies crying. Finally got the money together to scrape it, squinch, squeeze, to go ahead and dress her up properly. All right? We're going to be putting a Super 60 turbo on that thing. Going to get about 20 PSI boost out of it. I've only had about 8 PSI boost with the very tiny turbo I've had on there. We're going to be doing an AC install. We're going to be doing the coolant upgrades everybody talks about. We're going to be doing some custom wiring, okay? We're going to build harnesses. We got a 4L80 in here, computer controlled. I'm going to go ahead and reveal that to you, okay? It's been a little secret of mine. I'm going to go ahead and share it, all right? We're going to be doing cab insulation, soundproofing, because we want it ice cold in there, iceberg, okay? We're going to be talking about the sealants. I'm going to show you guys my way where it never leaks, okay? You got your anaerobics, your aerobics, your RTV, gasket press. I'm going to clarify that. The waters are muddied. I'm going to clarify that. That's what's going to happen. We're going to be doing some basic painting, prepping. We're going to do some basic fabrication, all right? And here's the thing, disclaimer, I'm being 100%, okay? I don't get candy bars, gift baskets. No one gave me these parts for free. This is just 100% real deal, all right? And just as a little teaser, this just arrived. This is a Super 60 turbo here, and this is 1.5 inches, all right? And let's just go ahead and take a look at this mammy-jammy that's gonna get bolted on to the P400. Let's see what we got. It's like the holy grail. Oh my goodness, there's so many levels of security. Oh, this is like, okay. You are awesome. Okay. Narrow it down, get that out of there. Oh my God. Ooh. Ooh. You gotta lift with your knees. Hold on, not your back. Ooh. There it is. Call hospice, okay, because my life is fulfilled. I have served my purpose. Here it is, the Super 60. This is a lot bigger than what I got. I can't even get to it. It's buried underneath the truck. So, listen, here's the thing, guys. In the whole wild, I got you, all right? This is going to protect you right here. Okay, Master ASC. All right, we're gonna do things right. Used to be a Black Hawk crew chief also, so I'm gonna go ahead and tell you I got low OCD. Low OCD, that's why I can't really pay the bills with this. I'm too slow because I'm too much of a perfectionist. I got you right here. All right, look forward to seeing you guys.